Get fit in pink. Train with us. Exercise routine, glutes. This routine will be level 1, ideal for beginners. The workout. In this workout, we alternate between the quadruped position and lying on our backs depending on the exercise. The back should be in contact with the floor or mat at all times when lying down. You should not arch your back. If you can't do any of the exercises, you can substitute it for the one that feels more comfortable for you from those suggested in this routine. You should not force or push your body to the point of pain. If you feel any discomfort, it's a sign to stop. Do 10 repetitions of each exercise, always with each leg, with 10 seconds of rest between movements. You can repeat this circuit 2 to 4 times a week, adding it to other routines if you want to achieve a harmonious and strong body. First exercise, kick with bent leg alternating. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Next exercise. Kick back with straight leg. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Now we will lie on our backs. Next exercise, glute bridge with feet on the floor. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Next exercise. Hip abduction in bridge. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Back to the quadruped position. Next exercise. Kick back, bent knee. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Now we will change legs. Kim will change planes. You only need to change leg. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Next exercise. Side kick lifting knee. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Next exercise. Change legs. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Back to lying on our backs. Next exercise. Bridge with arm stretch. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Next exercise. Glute bridge with one leg on floor. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Change leg. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Next exercise. Frog bridge. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. And again, back to the quadruped position. Last exercise, half circle leg on kneeling. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-second break. Change leg. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Good job. And with this, we finished this glutes routine. How do you feel? Let's do another exercise routine? Do you feel like you have enough energy? If so, take 2 minutes to rest before starting another routine. Drink water, and breathe. If you like these videos, you can't imagine how happy you make us. We will continue working so that you can join us in all the exercises we upload for you. If you want to help us, comment and share these videos with your friends. You will be helping many women and us as well. Thank you very much for watching.